Hello. So I'm going to go over how to use the tool Blackboard Collaborate. So we're going to click this link. And I need to make that open in another window. So you can join. I want you to join from a browser. And then you're going to press join session. I need to make sure I fix this so this opens in a new window. So when you get here, this is our communication tool. You can use your phone for audio, you can report an issue, you can get help, or you can get a tutorial. I will let you follow that if you need to. The tools here are the microphone, so I can share my audio with the room. I can share my video with the room, and I'm going to share my front face camera. If for some reason it defaults to a back face camera, I will show you how to switch that. You can raise and lower your hand. Now in this little menu, there's some fun stuff. You can chat. You can see who's in the room. And you can share content. This is what we will be using the most. And this is why you are encouraged to take this course on a tablet with Google Chrome installed, because we can share a blank whiteboard, and with a stylus, even one not as fancy as my Surface Pen, we can write math. And we can talk about math. And you can write math and talk about math instead of me just talking at you. I dislike talking at people. I like you guys interacting with the math and thinking and sharing. So we're going to be using this tool a lot, and you're strongly encouraged to even use it when you are not in my presence to communicate with your classmates, because this is a very powerful tool for group work. You can share your applications. So I can share my entire screen or just an application. If I just want to share Word, I can do that. Now I'm sharing, this is what happens on my screen, and in Blackboard Collaborate, the other people will also see it. So that's a really important thing. You can share files. So you can upload, this is from another class. I want to share this file. Share now. I now share this PDF. I can write on this PDF. I believe I can write on this PDF. I thought I could. Yes, I can. So if you wanted to share the book or the problems that you were working on, y'all could do the group work together. Oh, my eraser doesn't work. If you want to erase, you just click this eraser tool. Settings, you can mark yourself as present, away. You can give feedback. You can use, here's where you set up your camera and microphone. This computer remembers me, so it already knows my camera and microphone pretty well. But if I needed to change where my camera is, I could. You can now see the back camera and my dirty floor. And you need to switch. Please switch. Okay, we're just going to cancel that out. Oh, well, live troubleshooting. Headset, yes, it's working. Microsoft camera front. Yes, it's working. And then once you set it, you have to turn everything back on again. You can also use your phone for audio. It gives you a phone number to call and a PIN to enter. You can adjust your volumes here. And you have some control over how you are notified about things. I need that on. Okay. So to close that menu, we can stop sharing. That is a very quick tour of Blackboard Collaborate, and hopefully when you interact with this, this will pop up open in a new window. I may not be able to get that to work, but we highly suggest for the use of Blackboard Collaborate that you use Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the app that works best. I've used it on my cell phone with Chrome. My Windows tablet operates as Windows 10, so it's a fully functioning laptop. But I'm sure other Droid laptops will use Blackboard Collaborate. I mean, you can use Google Chrome on almost any tablet to get to this window. You might need to, every time you go into, let me get back to our site. You might need to open this link in a new tab. That's what I'm going to suggest to you, because I don't think I can set this to open in a new window. I'll work on that. So hopefully that was helpful, and I hope to see you on Collaborate.